today's video, I'm gonna unbox the first subscription box that I received for December. This is always the box that I get first usually. This is more on the pricey side. It's the Beautyfix box by Dermstore. This is $24.95 a month, but if you like the products and don't want to get stuck in a monthly subscription, then you can actually purchase it one time for $34.95. And I'll have that linked down below so you can take a look at the website. Now, the value of this is really good. The products are usually really high-end skincare items. This is more of a skincare heavy box. You do get a hair item or two and a makeup product or two, but it's mainly skincare. This is how it always comes. It comes like this and then it'll come taped. And when you open it up, it will have the pamphlet on the top of the box. So it gives you like the theme. And then when you open up the pamphlet, it gives you all the products. And I went ahead and gave some prices as far as what the full size costs. And every month on the back of the pamphlet, they'll give you a 20% coupon code. So if you like what's in your Beautyfix box, you could actually use the code GLAMOR for December, and you can get up to 20% off of the products. So the theme for December is it's the most glamorous time of the year. So it definitely fits with the holiday season. And it says, "'Twas the day of your holiday party, and just before the night, you found your makeup bag empty, not an ounce of glam in sight. No glitter, no serums, no holiday sparkle. Where's the highlighter, the moisturizer, or even the slightest bit of bronzer? A bell rings at the door. Who could it be? A box full of holiday glam just for me. Filled with creams, balms, and clips, the night was saved, and the party was put in motion." So I thought that was a really cute little holiday poem they put here. And we're getting a total of 12 products, and I'll show you what they are. So the first one I'm gonna show you, I don't really consider it an item because it's just a one-time use sample. It's a beauty blender sample. Now, I have a bunch of beauty blenders. I have the Beauty Blender brand. I have off brands. I really do enjoy Beauty Blender. Now, for one sponge, it's $20, or you can get some holiday sets. They have them available on the dermstore.com site or even Sephora. It says, "Give yourself flawless skin without streaks or excess products with this innovative water-activated makeup applicator." And it's pretty cool what they do here because they give you the water, and all you do is you push this in, and the water will go into this part here, and then this little beauty blender will expand into 2 times its size. So all it is a piece of the material. So all it is supposed to give you just an idea of how it works. Now, I've gotten this sample before and it doesn't really do it justice as far as how the Beauty Blender works. This next product here is from a brand I've never heard of. It's the brand Neostrata. It's a skin active cellular restoration moisturizer. It says slow aging, boost collagen production, and repair your skin's matrix while you snooze. So I guess it's something for at night. It says it helps restore essential cells, it lifts and firms, and you're gonna use it following any kind of cleansing and any other treatment products. So you're gonna use it as the last step in your skincare process. It says formulated to synergistically restore essential cells, rebuild the skin's matrix, and reduce oxidative damage for a firmer, more lifted and vibrant appearance. The size of this is 0.17 ounces, so it is pretty tiny. It doesn't have a seal on it, so I'll go ahead and try it out here. When I just put this little bit on, it's very oily, so I don't know how well this is gonna actually work on my skin because I have oily skin. It's more of like a balmy texture. It seemed to absorb pretty quickly. The price of this for the full size, which is 1.75 ounces, is $85. This next product I was really excited to get because I do like this brand. It's from Bioderma. It's the Hydra Bio Serum, and this is for very dehydrated, sensitive skin. It says, "Create a natural glow that will put any highlighter to shame with this moisture-rich serum." So this is a 0.17 fluid ounce, and for the 1.33 fluid ounce, it's $24.90, so it's not too bad as far as price-wise. This is more on the reasonable side. This next product is actually pretty interesting to receive in a beauty box subscription, but it's from the brand Super Smile. It's a professional whitening system. It's just a little sample size. Comes with the toothpaste and the accelerator. It says, "Fill your Instagram profile with tons of holiday pictures featuring your stunning white smile." This is 0.21 ounces for each tube. If you wanted to purchase the full size, the toothpaste would be 1.4 ounces and the accelerator is 1.2 ounces, and that would be $40, and that I found on the Dermstore site. You put a little bit of the toothpaste on your toothbrush, and then you put some of this with it, and then you brush your teeth as normal, and it's supposed to whiten your teeth. This next thing I've actually received before, and I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard really good things, and I do like the brand. It's the R&Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. It says create bouncy, luscious hairstyles all winter long with this hydrating and smoothing cream. For 5 fluid ounces, it's $29. You would put this either on your wet hair and blow dry, or you could let it dry naturally. And then you could also use this if you needed to tame any kind of flyaways, or if you wanted to moisturize your ends, you could actually use this as well. Now this size is 0.5 fluid ounces, but I think it gives you enough to try. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this next thing is from the brand Erno Laszlo. It's a Hydrophil skin supplement. It says cold temps drying out your skin. This alcohol-free toner will soothe and replenish your skin with the hydration it craves. And 6.8 fluid ounces is $60. So this is basically a toner. I don't think I'd pay $60 for a toner, no matter how good it is. I just cannot see myself paying more than $28 for a toner. And it is in this cute little bottle. I think that is adorable. This hydrated toner gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes as it eliminates dullness and balance moisture. So this I think I would use at nighttime because it's more on a moisturizing level, and I don't like to use too many things in the morning that are gonna make my skin more oily during the day. This next thing here is from Ren Skincare. It's the Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. It says, give your skin a little extra love after a night of heavy makeup, partying, and little sleep with this soothing recovery balm. 30 milliliters is $48, and this is 0.17 fluid ounces, and it's good for sensitive, reactive skin. And this is what the packaging looks like. I've never tried this before. I've only tried a exfoliator from this brand, and I loved it. It almost feels very, it's gel-like with a kind of like a watery consistency as you rub it into your skin. If you can see how shiny my hand is. It almost has like a lip balm scent, like a petroleum lip balm scent. Very natural smelling. This box, from what I'm noticing, is it's dry skin based. The products in here are really not for every skin type. This next thing is actually from a brand that we've received in this box before, and it was really expensive. This is the Nia 24 Gentle Cleansing Cream. It says this gentle yet powerful cleanser is perfect for banishing daily dirt and grime while keeping skin hydrated in harsh winter weather. The 5 fluid ounce size is $33. This is 1 fluid ounce. This is what it looks like. You're getting a good size, so this seems like it's good enough to give you a few uses. The next thing is from Murad. It's a renewing eye cream. Now it says, when your schedule is packed with holiday party after holiday party, wake up looking refreshed with this rejuvenating eye cream. 0.5 fluid ounce is $80. This is 0.14 fluid ounces. So I'm just happy to have this little size. And I know that it is a little size. This box was just way too big for this little guy here. Just way too much packaging, such a waste to me. But this is what it looks like. And I know that all you need is the tiniest amount of product, and you rub between your ring fingers, and then you just pat around your eyes. So even though this is a tiny little eye cream, you do not need to use a lot at all. And it is filled right up to the top. It says ultra nourishing eye cream firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Advanced peptides and retinol increases elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. Eye brightening complex reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, younger looking eyes. So definitely really looking forward to trying this. So these last 3 products I'm about to show you, they are all full-size items. I like that Beautyfix always includes at least 1 full-size item, and it's usually a really good value. So the first one I'm going to show you is something I've actually received before, and I had given it away. I've never even tried it. It's from the Dermstore brand, and it's their Lip Quench Sheer Tints. Now, you could have received either Red Delicious or Orchid Berry, so I got the berry one. It says, keep lips tinted and fully moisturized all winter long with our signature hydrating lip stain. This is $12 on the Dermstore site. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm not gonna open it because as you can see, there is a seal wrapped around it, and I have many lip balms open right now. So I'm not ready yet, but seems like a really good thing to get in this box. It does go with like the winter season. The next full-size item we received is from Youngblood Cosmetics, and this is an eye illuminating duo. So this is a dual-ended pencil, features a matte and shimmering highlight that will give your holiday glam extra sparkle. This is $22, so definitely up there in price. This is the matte shade. So this could actually be used as an eyeshadow base. You could actually blend this in with a concealer brush. It blends it really nicely, and it's matte. Then the other side is the shimmery one. And I like that it's a pencil so you can sharpen it. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm liking this. This is gonna be really nice whether you put this on the inner corner of your eyes, or you can actually use this right under the brow bone. I think that's really pretty. And it's very easily blending. So I really like this. This is not something that I would typically buy because I have so many highlights, but I don't have anything like this. I don't have these stick forms. And I like that it's dual-ended, so all you need is just this one. And the last but not least is actually the one thing that I was most intrigued about because it's really different. It's this Harry Josh Pro Tools Pro Makeup and Wave setting clips for all hair types, and it comes with 6 clips. This is actually $18 for this set right here. It says set your updo, curls, or waves with these creaseless clips, or keep your hair in perfect condition while applying your holiday glam. So we've gotten this brand before. We've got a comb, and we also received a mini detangling brush. It comes with a really nice little carry case for the clips. Well, I think that's really good. It's good for traveling or just to store them in. These are what the clips look like. So you're getting a pack of 6. And they're pretty interesting. You can see that they're very thin. And this is what they look like. And that's the other side. And I guess that it's good to just pin your hair back, like if you're doing your makeup, or I guess it holds your style in place. And it's supposed to not leave a crease in your hair. It says a smooth surface with a bold yet lightweight design to keep the integrity of your hair's waves without compromising style or form. It's perfect for pin curl hairstyles. It clips back large sections of hair during makeup application. Pro tool for hair and makeup artists. Fashion and runway show backstage favorite, and it refrains from hair tugging, pulling, or damage. So that's it for the December Beautyfix box. I think we got a good variety of products. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you received Beautyfix and what you think about this subscription. If you are interested in this box or signing up, then I will have the link down below in the description box. Hope everybody has a great day, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.